Hey folks, welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Hope you're all doing really good out there. If you're new to this channel, on this channel I do a bunch of tech reviews for smart home automation, all Tesla accessories, and I also do the occasional travel vlogs. Now, if you are looking at the thumbnail, you probably want to know what is this new accessory that Tesla launched and why is it such a confusing accessory. So recently I was browsing through the Tesla web page for cool new accessory that Tesla released, and I came across this weird accessory, and I was very curious if you're like, what is this? It's $25 USD. What do you use it for? Maybe it's something important, maybe not. But it's really a unique design. It's a plastic accessory. So quality wise, I wouldn't say this is a Tesla standard. Very cheap quality plastic. Has the Tesla logo right there. And it has like a weird design, if you can see up close. Has like a twisty design and seems to fit somewhere in the vehicle, but we're not really sure. They don't give you a lot of information where to install this plastic sort of holder. And as I was doing more research, unfortunately on the web, there's nothing on the web that describes where to install this weird accessory that Tesla sells for all vehicles actually. And as I was like troubleshooting and trying to figure this out, I came across one YouTuber that did a short on this accessory. So I feel like there should be more information about this. So this is a J1772 holder, but not just any holder. This is a J1772 holder for the driver or passenger. I guess you would call it the door storage or door handle storage. And what this does is it allows you to mount the actual holder in an angle where it's easy for you to grab when you need it, and then you will stick the J1772 into this holder here. So it basically allows you to stick this right by the door of your driver's side, and then you can just grab it, put it into your charging, wherever you're charging your vehicle. This is only useful if you're using a third-party charger. So if you're using a Tesla charger, this would not be necessary. But if you're charging from, let's say, Electrify America or ChargePoint, any of those chargers that require adapter, then you need this adapter. But Tesla sells this holder here, quite pricey I would say for the quality. Is it worth $25? I don't really think so. It's a $25 J1772 holder for the driver's side. Alright, so there you have it. Don't mind the mess in my door storage, but that's it there. It fits nice and snug. Now mine is a little bit more tighter than normal vehicle because I have this like protector here on my door to keep all the dirt from getting actually into the vehicle. But it's there. I guess it's a convenient storage, fairly tight fit, but it's easy for you to grab this here and take it out when you need to use it at a third-party charger. And for storage wise, it's nice and easy that you can tuck it away right here for storage. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. That's the $25 Tesla accessory that you can buy. Very unnecessary. I usually just keep this inside the center console storage. I guess you can keep it in a glove box if you don't use it quite often. But now you have this Tesla branded, sleek, I would say, plastic storage that you just insert it right by the door whenever you need it. So let me know your thoughts on this here. Probably overpriced. If you're just buying this for $25, you do have to pay shipping from Tesla store. So if you're buying this, make sure you include other stuff, maybe a cabin filter, something that will drive the price up so you don't have to pay storage or shipping fee. But yeah, this is my thoughts. I give this a unnecessary thumbs down. Probably doesn't need it, but I just thought it was curious that Tesla sells this to the owners. This is something you can easily just provide when you're buying your vehicle. $25 holder, quite unnecessary. But yeah, it's Tesla and you get all these weird overpriced accessory from Tesla. But that is it, the J1772 passenger door or driver door holder. Let me know what your thoughts are. Make sure you subscribe to the video, give it a like. Let me know in the comments what you think about this charger, if you're using this charger, and if this holder is something you would purchase. I'll have a link inside the description where to buy this, and we'll see you on the next video.